dancer. Kung todo bigay ang dancers, maigi rin ang paghahanda ng mga kakanta. Lalo na si Brett na mahilig tumugtog at sumulat ng mga kanta.
What do you have for me?
An original. A few originals.
Okay.
If a simple melody could change everything, I would never, ever, 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 ever stop singing. If a simple melody could make you mine.
What is that?
Smiley face. Always, always, always.
She said don't wash it off.
Find time.
What is that?
I don't know.
What does that mean?
I don't know with her.
If my time means anything to you, you should let me know. 'Cause I never, ever know.
She said don't wash it off, and when we were sleeping, just put it next to your face. Yeah, okay. Then she laughed.
What you thinking about? Are you thinking of me? 'Cause I'm thinking of you eternally.
So, kinikilig ka naman.
What are you talking about? Maybe a little.
I'm hopelessly in love with everything you do. What you do to me is beyond words. I never thought I'd say I love you so much it hurts, it hurts.
Cute. If you choose that song, or if you go with that song, you'll make a lot of girls scream. You have one more?
Yeah, really. Let me think.
When did you write this? Today?
I've just been writing for a year. But my first like 10 songs, crap. So I threw it out. But then I just started getting a little better. Here we go. It's called My Best Friend. My best friend, I love her till the very end. She's wonderful, she's beautiful, she's super cool, you know she's cool, she's all that I adore. And when I think
Si Brett at James nakabuo pa ng panibagong kanta.
Paano niyo ba nagawa yung kantang yan in the first place?
we were just outside jamming, then I was like, hey James, play these 3 chords, and then we just started like singing it. Everybody help somebody, body today. Everybody help somebody, body today.
Ano ang inspirasyon niyan sa kantang yun?
James was like, let's make a happy song. And then he was like, it's for the homeless soccer players. And then we're like, let's think about them. And then,
ang isipin na naipamamalas na ng mga kabataan ang kanilang mga talento, ay natututo pa silang magmalasakit sa iba.